In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to search for a specific video in a specific YouTube channel. So what you want to do is, first of all, go to youtube.com and then go to that channel. So you might want to, for instance, search for the channel name. So I could search for a channel like this one because I'm looking for a specific video in this YouTube channel. Now from the results at the top, you should see the channel name. So click on that and that should open that YouTube channel. Now on that channel page, there's gonna be a search function. So you wanna click on that and then now you can search for that video inside that specific channel. So for instance, I can search iPhone review, for instance, and then I can find a specific video that I want to look at. So this will only give me search results from videos inside this specific channel. Okay, so I can find a video like that. And that's basically how to search for a video inside a specific channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.